plate's all laid out, why you need to make 2 more cuts. So this is an opening, obviously. We've got a jack, some people call them a trimmer, either side. What I like to do is roll that around to the underside of the plate, drop my saw to 3/4 of an inch, and make a courtesy cut. Now, after this wall is framed and we stand it up, we can cut that plate out in the doorway without marking the floor. Now, some people will say this is a waste of time, but it's a nice clean cut. It shows professionalism when you're working on a custom. This floor may remain uncovered for months during this project. Also, if you imagine this was a concrete floor, you don't have to worry about digging your blade into the concrete.